Hello everyone, my name is Sarah and this is B.fleye Beauty. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing my friend's bathroom. So I've been prepping for this for about 3 months now. And we are going to take all this stuff to the car. This is, wow, what a mess. This is like birthday presents. Wow. Let's just turn this around. All right, this is all the stuff we're taking over to the home tonight. We have to paint a mural to start, then we will decorate, put up curtains, and see what else we're missing, and then finish up tomorrow. So let me get all this stuff into the car, and then I'll show you everything when we get there. Okay, Angie's gonna be helping me, so I don't know why this didn't record, but we're doing the mural here. That's where we're gonna start. So we're gonna clean everything off. Then we're gonna get going on the mural. I would have loved to redo this mirror here and that light, but that's just not in the budget right now. So we're gonna clean all this stuff off, get prepped for painting, and then we'll do everything else. All right, not sure that you can see the chalk marks, but we have kind of a skeleton going on, and we will just see how it goes. No pressure. So this is our tools. Thanks, Grandpa Johnston.
Okay. I'm going in.
She's going in. I'm going in. Okay, so then maybe I should move the ladder without
Your paint.
without the paint. Yep. All right, so this wall was super duper textured, and it was minimally textured when you look at it. But when you actually paint on it, it was super hard to do. We had two different tools that we were using: a small angled paintbrush, as well as a very, very tiny, like, artist paintbrush, like you would use on a canvas, to fill in the gaps in the texture. I really wanted to do this mural on more than the big wall and a quarter that we got done, but this whole thing took about 3 hours with two of us. We put the veining in, didn't like it, so we stuck with the solid olive color, and I just really love it. All right, this is where we are so far. I think it actually looks quite beautiful. Well, we're gonna call these a Monet, because the closer you get, the more you see. Look guys, it's hard. It's hard on this wall, okay? It's very bumpy. I have to add the parts on the inner, like the details on the florals. Do we add something there? No, let's not make it too hard on ourselves, right? So it wraps around, so we have to do that and everything else. All right, I wanted to look at this video again so you could see kind of where I'm coming from with the color palette, the pattern, the theme. So you'll see in a little bit their inspiration, where we took inspiration, these little zoo animals, and we really wanted to elevate that and not just do a typical jungle theme. So this is what the bathroom looked like before, and this is the inspo pic. We did not want to just do the traditional nursery or jungle theme, so I wanted to bring in elevated colors like blues, olives, in patterns that might not say jungle, like this one here, and then we warm it up with some rusts and terracottas and more elevated, beautiful pieces. All right, I'm just getting back to the house. I went this morning, I did most of the decor, took some notes on things that I still need, and then I tried one of the veinings in one of the leaves, and I did not like it. Even, I think, if we used a different color, hey Nudie, I still don't think I like it. I think I like the basic, just leaves by themselves. So I think that's gonna save us some time and effort this evening to finish up. So we will touch up all the paint, finish up the decor, And then that'll give me time to actually run to the store this evening when we're done in San Antonio. So I'm gonna get ready to go to San Antonio now, and then we'll finish up tonight and I'll show you the finished product. I'm really excited. All right, so I got a plant stand. It's not the shape, it's not the size I wanted. I wanted something a little skinnier, but that's what we got. So they can always change that. We rolled up the towels here. We rolled up some hand towels, kept the cigar stuff down here, extra bath things, and then decor at the top. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the laundry basket there. All right, so we're in a dilemma here. I've not been able to find these little clips in person, so I bought something, but I think I just need to buy those and have them sent over and then have them just lift this up tomorrow. We have the completed wall situation, curves around, but we did not, it was just very tedious with the texture on the wall. We have a little bench or stool here so you can put books on, a plant, some art so that you can see something walking in. Then we have the toilet paper in a little basket along with some room spray and some, this is a inside joke piece of art, homemade by me and Dollar Tree. Very cheesy, kid-like, but it's for a reason. We ended up adding this new toilet paper roll holder so that they can put their wipes on it. I moved their trash can in here, but I think they probably need two. We have the beautiful rug here. I actually think we could have gone bigger actually, but the bigger rug is gonna look beautiful once this is lifted up high. And then we have the artist print here. We have a faux plant with a wall pocket, some florals, gotta put some batteries in that, their original art piece, and then the elephant hand towel. We put the black one here, and then we kept the white ones in this thrifted wood bowl. All right, so they did have toilet paper out in a holder, but I wanted to put this in a spot that maybe hides kind of the extra things. And then we're gonna do some pictures here. All right, let's walk through the finished product. So, big tip here is to use curtains on your shower that are not shower curtains. Get them super high and long, bring them all the way up to the ceiling, and then put some traditional plastic liners behind it. Another tip is rolling your towels and displaying them in a really beautiful way. They have a lot of regular towels, and then I rolled up their hand towels and put them in a beautiful vessel. This is a beautiful wooden bowl, thrifted. If you have the time and the patience, you can really make a room super luxe, very elevated, on a very, very small budget if you have the patience and the time. Another huge tip is putting a washable rug that is not a traditional bathroom mug and make it as big as you possibly can. We definitely could have gone bigger here. They only have one sink, so that gave us some place to put some beautiful florals, bringing in decor items you wouldn't think would be in a bathroom, but putting some beautiful pieces of art that you're gonna see here. So we got this piece off of Etsy. And that's a great way to purchase art from an artist that you really love, getting a print from Etsy, and then finding a thrifted piece, a thrifted frame. Most of the things you'll see in here are thrifted or very discounted prices. Hello. We have a hook here that I got at a really low price using their already beautiful hand towels. Then we have something functional here. We have a stool where they can put a book or maybe their glasses while they're going to the restroom. You'll see that in a second as we go around the corner. So here's the mural all done. Again, we did not like the veining. I really wish we could go back and do more of this, and we might do that at some point if they let us back in. All right, as you come around the corner here, again, you're gonna see this piece of art. I would have loved to put a bigger piece here even. This was a thrifted piece, and I took the frame and put some washi tape around it to add some interest. I would like maybe a different plant here, but we used what we had. And then using, again, we need our toilet paper, but do we need to have it out? No, put a beautiful basket, hide your items, be practical and beautiful. So you want just everything to be lifted. You want things to be taller, wider, to take up more space. Let's see one more look, and then we'll see their reaction.
Alright, you can go in the bathroom now.
I can go in the bathroom.
Love it. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh wow.
And Amy's on FaceTime.